Hello friends. In the previous video, we understood what are proxy servers. In this video, I'll take you through what are reverse proxy servers. So as the name indicates, reverse proxy servers are something that is opposite of the proxy servers. So the proxy servers, as you might have seen, are intermediate layers that keep the client's identity hidden. Now, reverse proxy servers are something that actually keeps the identity of the server running in the background as a hidden entity, or it does not basically allow the opposite person to know which server actually is serving the data. So, reverse proxy server is responsible for a lot of things. You might have heard of Nginx, Apache HTTP, and several other reverse proxy servers which actually do a lot of jobs rather than just serving the requests. So a reverse proxy server basically controls the number of requests that are sent to a server. Additionally, it also is able to filter the requests. For instance, you wish to block some IPs or you wish to block a particular country, it is able to do that right away. It can also block DDoS attacks as well as act as a load balancer on the server cluster. So let us say you want to limit the number of requests from a particular client. You can do that using the reverse proxy servers. Also, if you have a cluster of servers, let us say there are multiple servers running. Let me show you an example. So here I have a bunch of servers, like 4 servers running for the serving of a particular website. Let us say smarterbrains.in. So now the reverse proxy server, what it does is when a client tells the reverse proxy server that okay, I need this website smarterbrains.in, it will actually request one of these servers and say that hey, I need this particular website content, do you have it? So it will basically serve the data from one of these servers without really telling the client which server is passing on the data. So it can even balance the load among these servers. So let us say there are 10,000 clients requesting the data. The reverse proxy can actually manage distribution of requests in a uniform way or even in a memory or CPU optimized manner as we want it. So this work is basically done by reverse proxy servers. So in the next video, I will actually explain you how to configure a reverse proxy server with one of the popular reverse proxy engine, that is Nginx. Do subscribe the videos and our channel for further updates. Thank you.